Nightlife, ready to spit. Tag what evidence? Where you take across the planet. We'll step it up this year. Weatherman, the time's right. Sleep all day to wake up for nightlife. Ready to spit.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back home. I spent the night at my sister's house. I got to show you guys this from all the smoke from the fires. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's all in the air. I can't even see far from a distance, and it's coming into my garage, the smoke. So I'm gonna be trying to work on the car today or get small things done. Gotta do my laundry. Still need to mop this up. I'm gonna unbolt the header. I gotta find somewhere to put this. I'll hang it somewhere in here. Maybe I'll hang it up on here. But for now, I'm not sure you guys can see the smoke in that garage. It sucks. I'm just gonna wipe the lens. That'll help. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off. I need the rubber cup links to hold it in. So I gotta go on OfferUp and try to find those. Other than that, I'm gonna try to open up the garage a little bit, get some air. For sure, I need to paint those today, so I gotta get that done. But I really gotta mop because it's all the way there. And I need this walking space. I just kind of threw this mat so I can just walk over in and out and do laundry. So let me go grab the PB in the cupboard. I believe we have some of that PB spray so I can put on the bolts. And I want to take off this heat shield to see what I'm working with. So let me go grab that real quick. Alright, I got it. PB. So this is good stuff to get bolts off. So I'll spray some on here, let it sit. Spray some on there, let it sit, and then hopefully break it. I don't have air tools and I don't have power tools. Everything is just from a Harbor Freight toolbox. So let's see how fun this is going to be. So we're good. Get this one over here. Alright, I got the T-tops. I brought them in the, kind of just cleared out the kitchen table. And I got them both T-tops in here. I'm not going to paint the house, but this is the part I'm going to paint, this silver part back to black. Because if you can tell, all of that from the sun, it's kind of died out. And I just got to go back over and get all my finger marks off of the white paint. But other than that, these are stupid mint. So I'm gonna tape this up. I got the Scotch tape or painter's tape. Let me get the camera there. It was like $2.98 at Walmart. Then I'm gonna just take a bunch of the paper. I'm gonna tape it along here. Keep the paper here inside so I don't get it on the glass or here. If I do, it's fine because it peels off. So let me get doing that and then take it to the back and put a couple coats on. paper laid. You know, wasn't shicey on the tape. It's only $3, so even though it's a little spot, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So got that down. Just gotta take it to the back and paint it. But with these paints, like anything, it's cold. It's very cold today, so I'm gonna let this sit in some warm water and let it get room temperature. Then I'll put the first coat on and keep going until I'm thickening it back out. So here we go. All right, before I do this, I actually got to go run some more errands, so hopefully I get to do it today. If not, I have it prepped. I'll do it tomorrow. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back from running around, but it's already 7. It's dark, and it's really cold outside, so I don't want to paint in the dark. So I'll just probably prep this one, or I'll just leave this how it is. I'm gonna go spend the night at my sister's again and have family movie night tonight and probably watch The Walking Dead. So today is Sunday, so Walking Dead time. Like anything, didn't even get time to take the bolts off. So, ooh, I can smell the PB in here. So those have been sitting there forever. I'll hit them again tomorrow. I'll have time tomorrow to try that and that, but I'll keep the video going, so I'll just cut off here. Be back again tomorrow. So, got all that stuff to do, and got that. So little by little, I'll get there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Tired. All right, guys, I'm back at home. Got the paint and warm water so I can get it going. As that sits and dries, I already took apart the header. Very clean. Thank you to Randy Auto Up. This part is where they cut it off at the junkyard, I guess, and that's fine because I can always get these pieces or just cut this off and re-weld again. But everything else is very clean except for where you can tell where they bottom out. So I just gotta find a muffler shop, see if they can fix this for me. So let me get a little close up. You can see they really hit. I don't know what the hell they were doing. Must have been really low on the ride. But these headers are for the D15 engine, which is that non-VTEC 1.5 liter. And this carbon Kevlar is actually going to go back onto the B16, so I'm going to go drop this one back off. Alright guys, so there's 2 big ass Black Widows. They're both dead from the heat, but big ass egg sack. Oh my god, I fucking hate spiders so bad. So yeah, there's 2 of them there. Oh god, give me the chills. So I'm gonna try to clean that out. So here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to vacuum these dead spiders. There's a total of 3 giant Black Widows in there, but they're all fried up. I'm gonna use one of these with cigarette lighter vacuums that actually I think my mom collected from Red Hawk in the casino. So I'm gonna see how good this thing works. I'll plug it into this and try it out as I don't slip on the detergent. somewhat okay, but I gotta take off the whole header and downpipe to clean that, so that's another video. So let me finish up these T-tops. Got it all done. It's nice and black again. So T-tops are very clean. Even have, the cover for so you don't drive with your what's called the sun hitting you. So everything's nice and clean in here. Something I like. Would love to have a 300ZX. But all done with this one. Got the other one in the garage. So I'm actually gonna probably stop the video here. It's getting dark and cold, and I've been busy with everything else. But here we go. Turn this light on. Alright, so not sure if you guys can see it, but there we go. I'll probably put another couple coats on it and start taking pictures and put on OfferUp and use that for bills. So there you go. Got to get this up on jack stand, take off those headers and fix those, put those on, and then put on the intake when he gets here. So order that, and then like I said, I got other plans for this car, and I'll explain that all in another video. So thanks for watching, guys, and peace.